Clarke DG6000DVES 5 kVA diesel generator is ideal for on-site electricity generation for trade or leisure applications, where a reliable source of 110 volt or 230 volt power is required. With a maximum output of 5,000 watts, continuous power of 4.5 kilowatts and the economy of a diesel engine, it is ideal for builders, remote workshops, car valeters, motorsport teams, leisure events and more. The DG6000DVES features automatic voltage regulation, which allows sensitive electrical equipment to be run, such as televisions and laptops. It has a powerful 8.8 horsepower diesel engine and a large 16-litre fuel tank with fuel gauge that provides around 8.5 hours running time at 3/4 load. Housed in an acoustic case, the DG6000DVES has a quiet operation of only 75 dBA at 7 meters. It features an electric key start, which provides easy operation, and a recoil starter for backup. The generator's output include one 32 amp 230 volt socket, one 16 amp 110 volt socket, one 32 amp 110 volt socket, and an overload protected 8.3 amp 12 volt DC output, which can be used for charging many different devices. Plugs are provided for each of the sockets, enabling you to make up your own leads as required. This powerful generator features both a low oil pressure alert and automatic low oil cutoff, and should only be used with the front panel earth connection wired to a suitable earthing rod. A dual pole circuit breaker protects the AC outputs from overload, and a voltmeter displays the output voltage. The DG6000DVES is a powerful and reliable diesel generator, which will provide you with many years of reliable service.